I'm very, very excited for this module, and I'm sure you are too. So far in the last couple modules, we've talked about how to develop your trading plan, and we've also talked about how to figure out which type of trader you are. But you probably still don't feel like you have an actual plan once you pull up your charts. I'm sure by now you've thought of ways you could trade by using support and resistance, trends, indicators, and everything else you've learned. So in this module, we're going to develop your mechanical trading system. A mechanical trading system is a system that generates a signal that tells you as a trader to buy or sell. It is called mechanical because you follow this trading system like a robot without emotion. You simply follow the rules of your system no matter what is happening in the market. There's no magic bean when it comes to systems. There are a lot of different systems that do work, but only, and I mean only, if the system's rules are followed to a T. Creating a mechanical trading system that works is not that hard. What is hard for traders is to follow it no matter what. In this module, we are going to show you step by step how to create your own mechanical trading system. And at the end of this module, or possibly somewhere else here in Edge Trading Academy, we'll show you a couple systems that we've developed as well that you are welcome to use that are working really well for us. Your goal when creating your mechanical trading system is to do two things. It's just to identify trends as early as possible and to avoid getting faked out. The tough thing about that is that they both contradict one another. If you focus on getting in on trends as early as possible, you might get in too early on what you thought was a trend, but it was actually a fake out and the trade will go against you. But if you just focus on avoiding getting faked out, you might wait too long and miss out on writing a trend and catching a bunch of pips. So what you want to do is find a good happy medium between these two goals. You want to find a way to spot trends early, but also be able to distinguish fake signals from the real ones.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.